very much a collaborative process. I do help write the music. Marcus usually makes like a huge. He is the backbone of most of our songs, pretty much all of the songs.
My name is Marcus Moody, and I'm the director, conductor, composer, arranger. All of our songs, most of our songs are original, and if we do cover it, we try to mix it with something else, so it's not just like a straight rip-off. We actually tried to go for Art Attack last year, and we lost, so it was hard. But we came back with a vengeance, came back strong as hell.
But smile through the Great Depression, cause it's all depreciation. The appreciation of the good and bad, just balance my sheet. Yeah, you know, you ain't get gang.
I think we have about 20, 25 people now. It's the best we've ever been. This is the biggest show we've ever played, so we've got a lot of time and a lot of opportunities to just like iron stuff out.
It just feels like a big family here, having so many people come together and actually pull off making songs is really nice.